Olivia, did you hear that noise downstairs?
Yes. I thought I was the only one. It sounded like someone opened the back door. Mom and Dad are already asleep. Should we check? Something feels wrong. Look at the hallway. Why is the kitchen light on?
Dad turned it off before bed.
That's exactly why I'm worried. Olivia, I think someone is inside the house. Stay quiet. Do you hear footsteps? Yes. Downstairs. What do we do now? First, we stay safe. Mom, wake up!
Olivia? What's happening? We heard someone downstairs. Are you serious?
Dad, wake up immediately!
What's wrong?
The kids heard noises downstairs.
Everybody stay calm.
I know what I heard.
I believe you. Lock your bedroom door.
Good idea.
Should we call someone?
I think we should.
Nobody leaves this room.
Not even you?
Safety comes first.
Exactly.
Listen.
I heard that too.
What was it?
Something just fell downstairs.
Stay away from the windows.
Okay. This is scary. I'm scared too.
Being scared is normal.
Then why are you calm?
Because panic never helps. I guess you're right.
I'm calling emergency services.
Tell them everything.
What if the thief comes upstairs? Then we stay together.
My heart is racing.
Mine too.
The doors are locked.
Good. Help is on the way.
Thank goodness.
I just heard another noise. It sounds closer.
The thief may still be inside.
That's possible.
What if he takes everything?
Things can be replaced.
Even your laptop?
Even that.
I think someone opened a drawer. I heard it too.
So the thief is searching the house.
Unfortunately, yes.
Nobody leaves this room.
Understood.
The important thing is that we're together.
Exactly.
It feels like the thief is winning. Maybe for now. I hate feeling helpless. Me too.
Sometimes staying safe is the smartest victory.
I never thought about it like that.
Listen.
Someone just opened another door.
Dad, remember our security camera?
The new one?
Yes. Doesn't it send alerts?
Wait a second. I just checked my phone.
What does it show?
Someone entered through the back window.
So we were right.
Wait, I can see his face now.
It can't be.
It's Mr. Carter, our neighbor from next door.
Why would he do this?
But he always waves to us.
The police are here. They're just outside.
It's almost over.
Police!
Plain showcase.
In here!
Flank.
Is everyone safe in here? Thank you for coming so fast. We've got him. He's on his way to the station.
I'm so proud of how you both stayed calm.
Why did Mr. Carter do it?
That's a very good question, Peter. It's complicated. People are complicated, Peter. We must be prepared but stay kind.
I'm glad we had the camera.
Me too, honey. It made all the difference.
We're safe. That's what matters.
People aren't always who they appear to be.
That's scary.
The police just arrived outside.
Is it over? Not yet.
The officers are checking the house.
Let's stay where we are.
I hear voices downstairs. Me too.
The officers found him.
Thank goodness.
Mr. Carter was really the thief?
Yes.
I still can't believe it. Neither can I.
The camera footage helped immediately.
That made a huge difference.
So the truth came out. It always does eventually.
The evidence is very clear. We provided everything.
The security footage helped a lot. I'm glad we installed it.
Mr. Carter lied to everyone.
And now people know the truth.
Trust is easy to lose.
Very hard to rebuild.
He thought nobody would notice. He was wrong.
His own choices created this situation.
Exactly.
That's karma. It really is.
Honest people sleep peacefully.
Dishonest people often don't.
I learned something tonight.
Me too.
Good decisions helped keep us safe.
That's what matters most.
Olivia, thanks for waking everyone up. We protected each other.
I'm proud of both of you. Even though I was scared,
Especially because you were scared. Really?
Courage isn't the absence of fear.
Then what is it?
Courage is doing the right thing despite fear.
I like that.
Night could have ended very differently. Yes, it could have.
staying calm helped protect our family. Panic would have made things worse.
What's the lesson from all this?
When trouble comes, staying calm, staying together, and making smart decisions can protect the people you love most.